Today, I show you how to show rulers in Canva for more precise design alignment. Start by clicking File at the top. Then choose View Settings and select Show Rulers and Guides. Instantly, rulers will appear around your canvas. Perfect for lining up text and images accurately. To pull out a guide, simply drag from the ruler onto your canvas. Add as many guides as you need. If you want to remove one, drag it off the canvas and it will disappear. You can also go back to View Settings and choose Add Guides to quickly apply preset grids like 3x3 or 6 columns. Or even create your own custom layout with specific rows, columns, gaps and margins. And if you ever need to hide or show rulers fast, just press Shift+R on your keyboard. That's it. Now you can design in Canva with clean alignment and professional precision.